The new top product sample case is the latest sales tool from PureEdge Lighting. It joins our lineup of product family sample cases, now available for sales presentations. The top product case features wheels and an attached buckle, making it easy to connect an additional sample case for an expanded product demo. Personalize it with your business card. Find our latest catalog in the literature pocket. Let's explore the case, product by product, to understand its contents and how to use it effectively as a sales tool. There are two shelves containing a variety of products. In the lower compartment, you'll find the Pure Smart enabled power supply. You can either pull the power supply out or leave it in the case, using the extension cord to connect to a nearby outlet. The extra long power cable ensures convenience. Use the different connectors on this versatile power supply to control dimmable static white, tunable white, or true color 5-channel RGB with tunable white fixtures. The plugs are designed to mate seamlessly with the fixture samples. You'll notice each time you pull a product out, it's going to have a connector that is only going to pair to its companion. This is a single circuit dimmable connector. One of the things that's been requested is that we have some of our legacy top-selling products included in the case. Notice the Bordeaux sits asymmetrically, which is ideal for vanity mirrors. The customers use their own mirror of any size. These are available in 2.4-inch increments. The Bordeaux provides uniform, even light on the face, whether it's for a single vanity mirror or for retail fitting room. Next is the Nova Grazer, shown in 10-watt static white. We've included the optional louver accessory. This powerful grazer is ideal for textured feature walls, creating tall, dramatic shadows. Another fixture which connects to the single-circuit dimmable port is the Cirrus Wall Wash. Use this as a suspension or as a surface mount for even vertical washes on art or for retail. This is shown with true color 5-channel RGB with tunable white. Next in our line of core products is Cirrus. The Cirrus is shown in a static white. This is a great opportunity to pull out the finish sample ring to let the customer see and feel variety of premium metal finishes offered. The patented recessed low-voltage 2-circuit track can be used either with conventional wiring and dimmable controls or powered up with an always-on 24-volt DC power supply. Then have each individually address and control each track head wirelessly through the Pure Smart Whiz Pro app. Use this feature for grouping track heads on the fly and to access full color control features integrated into any control system. One of the beautiful parts about the magnetic 2-circuit track system is that with one hand, you could easily change fixtures from circuit 1 to circuit 2, and they connect with no tools. Here we have an example of one of our legacy most popular products, Cirrus. The Cirrus is a 1-inch square profile that can be mounted as a suspension, as a surface mount, or as a T-bar grid ceiling. This has a great variety of lens and expansion options. Cirrus becomes tie stick when we incorporate natural, solid wood materials. These are sustainably sourced, natural, solid wood. As a suspension, the tie stick has clean, center power feed cables. There are multiple examples of our plaster in linear system. PureEdge Lighting invented the recessed 5/8-inch concept, allowing our plaster and linear systems to fit within the thickness of 5/8-inch drywall, eliminating the need for joist modification. To let the drywall become your canvas. Notice the sturdiness of the metal to make contractors easier and prevent cracking. We've included the TrueLine 1A and TrueLine Trim 1.6. Notice on this new version of the TrueLine trim, we show clean decorative flange. A lot of spaces have drywall in one area and non-drywall in other areas. This allows the same lens and same lighting system to accommodate multiple ceiling conditions. Both of these examples are going to have the True Color 5-channel RGB with tunable white LED package. One of the latest patented innovations within the TrueLine family is the True Curve. See how the True Curve is able to freely form and create different shapes. You can make S-curves or specify this as True Circ, the pre-made circle kit. Bend on the single plane with True Curve. Another exciting patented option is True Arch for bending in the opposite orientation. like for a barrel vault ceiling. This also has the full True Color 5-channel RGB with tunable white LEDs. Next in the Plaster In series, one of our most popular products among lighting designers is the recessed wall washing system, the Reveal Wall Wash. Again, it doesn't matter what direction those ceiling joists are going because the entire 5/8" profile fits below the ceiling joist, allowing you to have a really great uniform wall washing without affecting the ceiling framing. This sample demonstrates the end cap so the contractors and designers can really get a sense of how this finishes out into the ceiling. And this also uses our top-of-the-line True Color technology. True Color Tunable White with RGBTW has changed how we tune in residential and commercial settings. 2-channel tunable white has limited accuracy because it only has 2 light sources to mix to create the final color. Because of that, a 2-channel tunable white product is only accurate at 2 points in its spectrum. With True Color Tunable White 5-channel RGBTW mixing, we utilize the red, green, and blue LEDs in conjunction with the warm white and cool white LEDs to keep the white light precisely on the black body curve across its entire spectrum. In the top shelf, find this grip jack canopy, which is used to demonstrate the pipeline modular system. Here we're going to show the low voltage class 2 cabling as it would leave a junction box. This really helps the designer understand how clean the fit and finish is of our low voltage canopy system. It mounts onto a standard junction box, then you have this clean dark coaxial cable leading to the port for our pipeline modular system. Move to the lower level of the case to find lots of different components to demonstrate how the pipeline modular system goes together. Put this in the customer's hand and let them feel the connection. Combine multiple segments together. Here is the pipeline track. This track head example is compatible both with the recess track and the pipeline track. One of the most powerful fixtures in the case is the pipeline wall wash system. This is part of the modular system, but a lot of people use this as a standalone wall washer, either stem mounted or cable mounted. The pipeline wall wash can be tailored to the size that's needed on site. Gives a great asymmetric illumination for a vertical surface and can be personalized with lots of different interesting finishes. One of our most famous fixtures is the laser line. The laser line has this patented catenary system that attaches to a standard junction box on one side, creates tension, and then has another one of these connectors on the opposite end. You could span 60 feet of open space without any support wires or cables. It supports LEDs on either side or both sides. The simple turnbuckle allows you to stretch this to create tension. A new innovation this year, in addition to having these exposed COB LEDs for that real stark laser effect, is now we have additional accessory lenses. And the accessory lens to turn the sharp laser effect into a more solid, soft beam of light. Control uplight and downlight independently, giving you the ability to mix full color and white. A lot of people ask if the laser line is available for outdoor use. We have another version called the Sabre. Sabre is part of the Outdoor Flex Neon family. We've included one of the newest versions in that family here. This is great for the exterior. The simple end caps make this a more architectural product for the outdoor environment. For this top products case to have sampling of all the product categories within PureEdge lighting, we had to be sure to include the new Luca series. The Luca downlight shown here is the adjustable accent, also available in fixed downlight and wall wash, round, square, trimmed, and trimless. We've selected this version because this is an example of the low voltage connection. The Pure Smart Bridge Box would sit in the ceiling and connect anywhere you could access 24-volt DC switched power. You'll notice this connector is used to demonstrate wiring using a simple loop busway system. This Class 2 connector is hand-tightened to connect to anywhere along the 24-volt DC always-on wire loop. This example has full color and dimming control wirelessly using this WizPro wireless bridge box, but is available using DMX and traditional control methods. This case includes a simple medium base line voltage socket with its own plug for demonstrating the Pure Smart lamp. This setup allows you to showcase the lamp in combination with the wireless scene controller, which can be plugged in separately. For a compelling demonstration, place the lamp and controller on opposite sides of the room to highlight how the controller wirelessly syncs with the lamp, enabling you to change colors and access various features. This sample case was designed to be a valuable sales tool that is portable and packed with a wide range of the PureEdge lighting top products.